Hey there YouTube, Darrell Hammond. DarrellHammond.com is my website. Go ahead and go there, check it out. But for right now, stick around. We want to check out a new product called Unfair Advantage. And so we will get into the product here in a second. First, we're going to probably go over the bonuses, which is kind of a flip-flop that I've done lately. Because I know sometimes you guys just want to see the bonuses. You kind of already have an idea whether you want to get the product or not. And so you're out bonus hunting. And so I'm going to show you the bonuses that you're going to get if you purchase via any of the links on this bonus page. And this, the link to this bonus page is down in the description below the video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check them out. Here we are on my bonus page, and we are going to scroll on down and take a look at the bonuses that you're going to get when you take advantage of this offer and click on any of the big purplish blue colored buttons I have on here. Those buttons will take you to the sales page where you can pick up a copy today. So if you purchase via any of the links on this page, you're going to get the following bonuses. So bonus number one, you're going to get Smash My Campaigns. You're going to get access to Smash My Campaigns. And as previously mentioned in some of my other videos, you can see John Armstrong's name down there. I am a member of Ministry of Freedom. It's a training program that John Armstrong has, and these are done-for-you campaigns or bonus pages that he allows us to use, or he provides to us, and the bonuses on here are set up, and then I can give these bonuses to you when you pick up via any of the links on this page. And again, the link to this page is down in the description below the video. Bonus number two is build your Facebook following fast. Bonus number three is the CPA profit hack number one. And bonus number four is access to stealth and advanced Gmail ads hacks. And then bonus number five, again, as usual, are all the vendor bonuses that you're going to get when you purchase Unfair Advantage. So when you click on any of these big purple buttons, or purple blue colored buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page. This is the sales page, and that's where those links on my bonus page are going to take you. So this is your average sales page. There is a kind of an interview. The producer of this product taught his 12-year-old daughter to utilize it, and she was able to make profits within a matter of days. And so if a 12-year-old can do it, I'm sure you certainly can. So let's go ahead and cruise on down to the bottom of the page, and let's take a look at the bonuses that the vendor will be providing you. Here they are. You're going to get $3,285 in bonuses from the vendor. Bonus number one that they're providing you is Profit Booster Niches. And then bonus number two is Affiliate Profit X. That's a step-by-step training that's going to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make big profits with a few clicks of your mouse. Bonus number three is how to make $997 commissions on demand. Bonus number four are video views and shares booster. So this is a boost your video views and get more share with this push button add-on tool. And then video number five are video embed, likes, and comment booster. This is going to help you get more likes, more comments, and better engagement with this push button add-on tool. And so, as is most products, just the bonuses themselves sometimes are worth the front-end investment. Well, let's go over the pricing funnel real fast. So let's jump back over to the bonus page. Let's go over the pricing funnel real fast, and then we'll jump in the product. So the front-end offer on this is $17. And when you go and try to close out of this page when you first show up there, it's going to give you a downsell. So the downsell is $5, so you're should be able to get this thing for $12. And so what that is you're going to get the front end offer is the software system, which tells you about the loophole in Amazon and the promo hack. And so you will get to do one Unfair Advantage property It takes about 10 minutes to do. You're going to get the 2-minute hack, post it, and you're guaranteed to page 1 ranking, meaning you will get clicks. And so then when someone clicks on it, you're cookied. And so basically, whether they buy the product you're promoting or not, if they buy anything within that first period of time that they're on there, they're cookied, and you're going to earn some commission. Upsell number 1 is Unfair Advantage Unhinged. It's $37. There is a downsell of $27. So the front end offer only gets you 20 software searches per day. Takers of upsell number 1 are going to get unlimited searches. So that is a pretty good advantage where you're limited to just 20 searches per day, and they kind of show you how to work that. And so you're going to want to take advantage of probably upsell number 1 to get that unlimited searches if you're going to really take this thing seriously. Upsell number 2 is Copy Us. It's $37. There is a $27 downsell. You're going to get the full case study of Vic's 12-year-old daughter using this system to go from $0 to $50 a day in less than a week. And the thing about case studies is, you get to sit and watch them go through the whole thing and exactly how they do it, which is very advantageous in trying to figure this out. Upsell number 3 is We Do It For You. It's $97. There is a downsell of $67. They already know which niches work and what type of posts work. And so you get to, with this upgrade, they're going to be giving you all their secrets, including the best-selling templates and a list of the hottest niches to hit. Bonus number 4 is the Professional Edition. It's $37. There's a $27 downsell. You're going to get, access to their own video library, which includes 4K videos, video backgrounds, graphics, background music, and a whole lot more. Upsell number 5 is Guaranteed Career. It's $197 or a $97 downsell. What you get with this one is a 6-week personalized coaching course by Vic Carty himself. So there you go. Those are the pricing funnels. Let's go ahead and jump into the product real fast. This is the dashboard, the basic training dashboard. So you get overall what the method is. The Unfair Advantage system, you're going to get 5 different videos on how to use that system. You're going to get your link to access the software right here, and then you're going to get a couple of templates, and these templates come in both Keynote version if you use a Mac or a PowerPoint version if you use a Windows. And so this is what you're going to get. You're going to get these PowerPoint or Keynote templates, and so basically you just go in and edit the text, edit the images, and what happens is you create these short little demo, or not demo, but review videos, and rank them on YouTube, and then when someone's kind of searching for those products, they'll click on your video, click on your links, and go to the product. So that was the first one. This is the second PowerPoint presentation that you get. And like I said, you just go through and edit these, and then you convert them into a video and post them on YouTube. And they show you how to rank on YouTube, and so you're going to get some of that organic traffic for free. So this is the dashboard of the actual tool or the software. And what this is you're able to search videos up, and you could do this organically as well. But basically what you get is a whole bunch of tools to allow you to find out trending keywords, trending tags, trending videos, and be able to take advantage of this information and to be able to actually upload your own videos that are similar in nature, but be able to take advantage of the keywords and the ranking that those other videos have utilized to be on the first page. So that's, kind of where the advantages of this program is. Let's jump back on over to the bonus page, go over the bonuses real fast again, and then we'll close this thing out because I've taken up enough of your time. Like I said, bonus number 1 is Smash My Campaigns. You're going to get access to Smash My Campaigns. Bonus number 2 is Build Your Facebook Following Fast. Bonus number 3 is Cost Per Action CPA. Profit hack number 1. Bonus number 4 is access to stealth and advanced Gmail ads hacks. Bonus number 4, all the bonuses that the vendor is going to provide you, and we covered that a little earlier. So there you go. That's all I got for you today. My name's Darrell Hammond. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Go ahead and click the like button. Click on the subscribe button. Get notified by ringing that notification bell of any new content that I publish. And go ahead and leave a comment below if you feel so inclined. I would appreciate it if you show a little engagement and let me know how things are going, because that'll help me improve my channel and my videos a little bit if I know maybe where I'm going astray, or some of the things that you guys see maybe that I miss that will help me improve the content for you guys. So anyways, there you go. My name is Darrell Hammond. DarrellHammond.com is the website. And that's all I got for you today. Pick up your copy of Unfair Advantage today via any of the links on this bonus page. The link to the bonus page is in the description below. Click on it, go to the sales page, grab your copy today. The price is increasing on that periodically, so you're going to want to take advantage and grab your copy today. And with that, we'll see you later. See ya.